1st, 2025, police body cam footage captured officers responding to a disturbance involving a woman who appeared to be yelling and acting erratically in the middle of the night. When officers arrived, they found her standing near a fence, visibly agitated and shouting. At first, the encounter seemed like it might be a simple welfare check. Officers attempted to approach carefully, trying to understand what was going on and whether the woman needed help. But within moments, the situation began to shift.
Ma'am, are you okay? Are you okay?
I'm okay.
Why are you yelling?
I'm okay. Get away.
Says she okay?
Why are you?
Get away, bro.
We're here to help you.
She probably mad or distraught.
Do you need police assistance?
She probably was arguing with her boyfriend or something, wanting to get some fresh air.
Well, you're yelling.
Okay. She's got to be mad about something.
All right.
23, you see she dropped that backpack, she abandoned that property. Hey, Jack, can you take a look at her, see if you recognize her?
Damn, she dropped a backpack?
Okay, I'm gonna tase you. I'm gonna tase you.
Damn, she come running.
Behavior grew increasingly unpredictable.
Don't touch my shit, bro.
Officers noticed she had dropped a backpack nearby and appeared extremely agitated,
what the fuck?
moving erratically.
What the hell is wrong with her? I would have tased her by accident.
What initially looked like confusion.
You can't run into me. I'd have whipped her back. What the fuck?
Officers remained cautious as they attempted to maintain distance and keep the situation under control.
That in her pocket?
Don't run at me like that. Do not run at me.
Watch out,
Do
bro.
not run.
Watch out.
Stop.
What the fuck? Oh, she tripped up. She pushed her over a book bag.
Bro, I'm not.
Hey, but hold on. I love how police do that. I love that one. Oh yeah, you pushed me and I just like fell over embarrassedly. You heard me? And there's a book bag right there. Oh yeah, you made me trip over that. You pushed me to the ground. You're going to jail.
There's a taser probe right in that left hand, so be careful.
Damn. They tased that motherfucker.
I'm not resisting nothing at all, bro.
Damn, what the hell? Her pants dirty as shit. I've been mad as hell wearing white sweatpants.
I'm not resisting. Can you stop, bro? Leslie, I'm not resisting nothing at all.
She's drunk. She's gotta be drunk. You hear her slurring her words?
Okay. Okay.
She knows this officer? Because she's calling the officer by that name. Leslie.
Wait.
Leslie.
Hey, I'm not trying to be funny. Wait, I'm not trying to be funny. Wait. Something's signaling. No, wait, guys. Something's signaling like I'm like.
She has a cowboy shoe.
Please stop.
Phone case.
On my upper stomach. Okay. On my upper, on my chest. No, stop.
What?
Something right now, bro. Tingling on top of my.
Something's tingling.
Leslie, can you please?
Did you take anything?
No, I didn't take nothing. Leslie, can you just please check, bro?
Did she get tased right there? Look, the prompt.
It's okay. It's okay, Leslie. I'm not saying that.
What's on your
Where the hell a taser hit her?
Hold on, stop. It's a probe right here.
Up here.
It's a probe.
Oh shit. A probe.
There's nothing there. Did you take something down?
I didn't take nothing, Leslie.
Oh, she got tased like in the lower
up on my stomach,
above the Gucci area.
Did you aim it at
That's crazy. Oh. Ah, damn. Yo, every time people get tased, they always say it's like they feel it in their chest. That's insane. Like, what if someone has like a bad heart and all that other shit? They're gonna die.
There's nothing there. There's nothing. It's right here in your pants. It's right here. It's right by your in front.
Damn, that shit seemed like it hurt. Oh shit. And there's like one in her. What is that? Where the hell is the other prom? Dang, she must have been flipping and kicking like a fish out of water. And they tased her or something, cause god damn.
Can you take my jacket off? Can you really take my jacket off, ma'am? Ow.
Does anybody have one of those?
Ma'am. Ow, ma'am, there's something tickling on my now.
Okay.
Ma'am. On my chest and on my.
Hey yo, where's the taser? Someone tapping it?
Ma'am.
She having an orgasm. Tickling.
On my bottom, ma'am. On my bottom, not even my chest no more. Not my chest no more. Not my chest. And so I got my pussy. Sir, can you please look? I'm not even trying to be like that. Sir.
She wanted the officer to check it out. Can you please look, officer? Tell me I ain't trying to be like that.
It's like on my bottom of my pants.
I see it. Okay.
Please.
I got rubber.
Oh.
I'm trying to be like that.
Nope, I see it.
I don't care, man or woman. Ow!
Well.
Oh no!
I'm okay.
Oh, they just pulled a prong out of
Under my chest.
her pubic area.
As the
Like,
encounter continued, the woman suddenly moved toward the officers in a way that raised immediate concern. In a matter of seconds, the calm conversation turned into a rapidly escalating confrontation. With the woman continuing to advance and ignoring commands to stop, officers were forced to react quickly. A taser was deployed in an effort to stop the situation before it turned even more dangerous.
Reckless and
even while
crazy
being detained, the woman appeared confused
attacking police
and disoriented.
officers.
Officers worked to secure her safely while checking to make sure she wasn't seriously injured.
He was under my chest too. Sir.
Whoa. One in her hand. God.
They're out.
She said she feel one in her chest. How many times they tased her?
Sir.
They're out. The probes are out.
One?
They're both out. Those two.
Okay.
They're both out.
Wait.
Them tasers attack your heart. I'm telling you. If you notice, everybody who gets tased with a good tase, they feel it in their chest and heart.
I'm not trying to read this.
Yeah, I can't. No, I don't.
Leslie.
I didn't recognize you.
Wait, ma'am.
She still continues saying Leslie. Like,
Wait, can I say one word?
Leslie act like they don't know her.
Leslie, can I say one word to you?
Okay, come on, get in the car.
Leslie, wait. Ma'am, wait, ma'am. Ma'am, I just have one thing to say.
Look over there. Look over there.
Leslie. Wait, ma'am, wait, ma'am.
She's having on some type of drugs or something.
Wait, what did I do?
Look over there.
Ma'am, wait.
Wonder what the hell she took.
Leslie.
I tripping.
Leslie,
We'll talk down the hill.
Leslie, wait.
Kids don't do drugs.
Leslie.
What began as a routine late-night encounter had escalated in seconds into a tense struggle captured entirely on body cam.
That's crazy,
In situations like this, officers are often forced to make split-second decisions as unpredictable behavior
in a crazy
turns an
situation like
ordinary
this,
call
this is
into
when
something
people
far more
accidentally get shot. You know what I'm saying? They get shot and they get hurt. You know what I'm saying? Like, police officers ain't got time for no crazy mess in the middle of the night. But hey, man, at least y'all know, hey, don't be tripping running up on no police and shit. You get tased in the Gucci area. But hey, y'all, till next time, Big Migo out, y'all.